Hey Hillcrest Knights, you may be wondering how to navigate class choice to either change your or your student's class schedule within the comfort of your own home. Keep on watching and we will show you just how easy it is to use class choice. First of all, we will start off at the Hillcrest homepage, which is hillcrestknights.com. Once you are on the Hillcrest homepage, you will look for the Parents and Students tab up on the menu bar. Once you have found the Parents and Students tab, go ahead and click on the tab to bring down the drop box. Once you have clicked that drop-down box, you will look for the PowerSchool link. Go ahead and click on that PowerSchool link. Once you are at the PowerSchool main page, you will go ahead and enter your student's login information, which should be their 4x4, the first 4 letters of their last name, followed by the first 4 letters of their first name with no spaces. The password should be their student ID number unless the student has changed their password to something else. Once you are in the student's PowerSchool portal, you will be able to see the main page, which gives you access to information about your student. On this page, you will notice in the top right-hand corner that you have 4 little icons. You will click on the box with the arrow in it to access another drop-down box. You will then find the link that says Class Choice, and you will click on that link. Once you are in Class Choice, you will be looking at your student's computer-assigned schedule for this upcoming year. This was created from the student's class request made earlier this school year. On your example screen, you can see this student we are looking at does not have a full schedule at the moment. You will notice over on the left it shows that some core classes are not currently part of their schedule. For this student, it is their required science courses. Here is how we will fix the schedule so the student has all the classes needed. You see that there are several blank spots where classes could go, so let's see if we can find the needed courses to fill those blank spots first. In this student schedule, you can see the student has space in her 5th hour classes that the student could possibly take the needed science courses. Click on the Edit button below the 5. This will enable you to edit the student's 5th hour classes. Let's look at the 5th hour classes available in the 2nd trimester. Click on the drop-down box to reveal what courses are offered during 5th hour in the 2nd trimester. You will notice on the right-hand side of the list, the number of students already enrolled in the courses is shown. If the course is full or overfilled, do not add yourself into these courses. Luckily for this student, we are able to find the science course that is required for the student to take. We are able to click on the course and easily add the student into the course. You may find that completing a full course schedule takes some trial and error to find all the courses needed. You may have to move some courses to accommodate your schedule. You may also need to choose to take some desired electives another time to accommodate your core courses. Be prepared to spend a bit of time arranging your schedule according to what courses are offered and when they are offered. Now we see that this student has a full schedule. That's great. You may notice on the left-hand side of the screen it still shows that the core science courses are not scheduled. Ignore this for now. We know that the courses are scheduled as we can see them in our schedule in the middle of the screen. It is important to remember that Class Choice is a wonderful tool for all of us to use to schedule our courses, but it is not perfect. Now that it looks like the student has a full schedule, it's important to double check that all the correct courses for this student are selected. For example, now we see that this student was scheduled for Senior Project. Clearly, this is a mistake as Senior Project is only for seniors, and this student is a freshman. Remember, Class Choice is awesome, but it is not perfect. It is important to check your schedule to make sure the appropriate courses are assigned to you. So, back to the Edit screen we go to find a course that is appropriate for this student to take. Luckily, we are able to find a PE course that is appropriate for our student to take and swap out that for the Senior Project class. Now, after some time searching and editing the schedule, our student has a complete and amazing schedule to begin their freshman year with. That's great. This student can enjoy the rest of their summer knowing that the required courses are scheduled. as well as several of the courses that they wanted as electives. Now it's your turn to use Class Choice to arrange your schedule. If after you have tried to change your schedule on your own through Class Choice, and you still have questions or concerns, please call Hillcrest Front Office at 208-525-4429. The high school counselors and college and career professionals will also be back in the office in early August for further scheduling assistance. Enjoy your summer. We look forward to seeing you at Hillcrest next fall. And remember, it's a great day to be a Knight.